Earning more money won't make you rich. Real wealth comes from following 3 proven money rules. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share a step-by-step guide to build lasting wealth no matter your income. The first rule is mindset before money. Have you ever seen someone get a raise, maybe even double their income, but a year later they're still broke? That's lifestyle creep. As income rises, spending rises. Fancier dinners, nicer apartments, newer cars, the cycle never ends. They treat money like a prize instead of a tool. Think of money like a shovel. Sitting in your garage, it's useless, but put it to work and that shovel can plant a tree. Money's the same way. Sitting idle or spent recklessly, it does nothing, but when you give it a purpose, like security or growth, it becomes powerful. So here's the move. Learn before you earn. A raise without financial knowledge just multiplies the same mistakes. But even small insights like how compound interest works can change every paycheck after that. Pick one easy way to build financial literacy. Read a money book, subscribe to my channel, or listen to a personal finance podcast. And when that next raise hits, set a rule for yourself. Save or invest a set percentage before lifestyle creep grabs it. Even 20 to 30% of a raise makes a huge difference. Because if you skip this step, more income only buys you shinier problems. But with the right mindset, every paycheck pushes you closer to your money goals. Saving is important, but saving alone won't make you rich. Why? Because inflation quietly eats away at your money every year. That safe pile of cash is actually losing value over time. So act like the rich. Grow your money with assets. Assets put money back in your pocket over time. Liabilities take money out. Stocks, index funds, rental properties, and even skills that boost your income are assets. A fancy car, credit card debt, or expensive subscriptions are liabilities. Here's a simple picture. Assets are fruit trees that keep producing year after year. Liabilities are thirsty plants. You keep watering them forever, but they give nothing back. Which would you rather grow? The good news, you don't need to chase hot stocks or time the market. A 3-fund portfolio is one of the simplest, most effective ways to invest. You just need a US stock index fund, an international stock fund, and a bond fund. That's it. Add money consistently and let time do the work. And here's a pro tip. Automate investing at least 10% of your income. If you can do more, even better. The key is automation. Growth becomes the default, not the leftover. Once you have the right mindset and investments, you need to understand the 2 hidden engines of wealth. The first is compounding. Think of it like starting with a small snowball. When it rolls down a long hill, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and faster over time. Basically, your money is making money, which then makes its own money. The catch? You only see that magic if you stay patient. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't dig them up every week to check. You water, protect, and let time do its thing. Wealth works exactly the same. Second is dollar cost averaging. Most people jump in and out of the market. They sell when things dip, they buy when things spike. This destroys returns, so stop trying to time your investments. Time in the market beats timing the market. That's why dollar cost averaging is your best friend. Invest automatically on a schedule. Whether markets are up or down, you're building wealth without the stress of guessing. Remember, learn before you earn, start investing now, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. But none of this matters if you let your own mind hold you back. Watch this video to stop your brain from secretly sabotaging your finances.